so thank you, EJ, for sending in your request for the Igbo name of the day. So EJ told me that the way he would describe himself is being strong-willed and having a powerful spirit. He also said that his ancestors are very important to him, so any name that kind of invokes that or talks about that would be a good name for him. So his original request on TikTok was that he wanted a name that basically meant God with us, right? So he commented under one of my previous videos and said that he wanted a name that basically meant God with us. So there's already a name in Igbo that pretty much translates very closely into that. So that name is Munachimso. Come on, say that with me. Munachimso. Good. So you ready to translate their names together? All right, cool. So, mo means me, right? Na means and. Chi means God. And then that